गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय फ्रेंड्स। नए तरीके का यूनिक डिजाइन का टेंपल मुझे दिखा है। मैंने ऐसा टेंपल पहले लेफ्ट आई
Because the left in the near the house.
नियर दी हार्ट।
Yes.
ओके ओके। काउदाइज्म में ऑलमोस्ट सारे बड़े धर्मों का अमलगमेशन है। या पुरुषों की पूजा के अलावा चाइना के दो महान दार्शनिक थे, लाओ त्से एंड कन्फ्यूशियस। उन दोनों के बिलीव्स एंड जीवन जीने की कला को ये अपने अंदर संजोए हुए है। एंड 1920 में इस धर्म की स्थापना हुई है। आई थिंक कि अपनी दुनिया का से नया धर्म यही होगा।
You need English speaking guy?
यस, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग गाइड।
You pay each 125.
125,000
25,000. Yeah.
ओके फॉर होल्ड फॉर
1 hour?
1 hour।
Yeah.
Okay.
This house built more than 240 years ago.
240 years old
Has been
house.
the home for 8 generations of the same family, Vietnamese family.
This is the Vietnamese ancient house.
Okay.
Quite big house.
Okay.
It's was built 1780.
1780। Okay.
Together.
Mixture of Vietnamese, Japanese and Chinese।
Yes.
Okay.
You can see the balcony around.
Okay, balcony, yes।
Chinese style.
Chinese style।
The big door.
Okay.
Have 4 sides.
For
1,
sun।
2, 3, 4 sides.
Yes, for sun
Japanese
rays।
style.
Japanese style।
And the right of the
This cover bridge is a must visit for every tourist to Hoi An.
Yes, yes।
This is the oldest construction. And, at that time, only Japanese and Chinese were allowed to set up their quarter for habitation here.
Okay।
So the Japanese built the brick and Chinese built the temple.
Okay, yes.
It is said that it appear a monster look like a snake with
Snake.
the head in India,
Oh,
the tails in Japan,
Oh.
but the body in Vietnam.
body in
But
Vietnam।
every time this monster make movement, it's called disaster in the three country. Trial in India.
एक बहुत ही छोटा सा ऑडिटोरियम है एंड पर्दा भी बिगड़ा हुआ है। प्रोग्राम फंक्शन स्टार्ट होना बाकी है। एंड ये पटरा दिया है, इस पर कुछ लिखा हुआ है, होयान बिंगो गेम। देखते हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय फ्रेंड्स। स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का एक और नई वीडियो में। एंड होयान में ये हम लोगों का दूसरा दिन है। सुबह के 9 बज रहे हैं। मैं सो करके उठा, नहा वहा करके अभी तैयार हो चुका हूँ। ले चलता हूँ, आप लोगों को दिखाता हूँ होयान शहर, होयान द ओल्ड एंशिएंट सिटी सुबह के समय में कैसी दिखती है। इस गली से बाहर निकलते ही मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एक टेंपल है। नए तरीके का यूनिक डिजाइन का टेंपल मुझे दिखा है। मैंने ऐसा टेंपल पहले कभी नहीं देखा है। आई हैव टेकन अ राउंड। इट इज वेरी न्यू काइंड ऑफ टेंपल। आई हैव नॉट सीन दिस बिफोर। या जस्ट अ मिनट। न्यू काइंड ऑफ टेंपल एंड आई हैव नेवर सीन सच काइंड ऑफ टेंपल।
Yes, you go to the Tây Ninh. You have a big gate.
Very big temple।
Yes, big gate in the Vietnam.
Okay।
The Tây Ninh near Ho Chi Minh City.
Near Ho Chi Minh City।
Yes.
And
Big gate.
you follow Khao Dai?
No.
No।
Yes.
You
It follow in the Buddha.
Buddha, and this is not the Buddha temple?
Thờ lấy kim bên đầu ạ. They wait a minute. You see in the heart, in the eye.
Yes,
Yes, eye of
left
the
eye,
the
left eye,
Because the left in the near the house.
near the heart।
Yes.
Okay, okay।
And they will sit in the Mark Lenin. Wait a minute. Mark Lenin and all famous people.
gods, all
Yes.
famous gods। Okay, okay।
And Buddha.
Buddha also?
Yes.
Okay, and Lao Tse, Lao Tse, Lao Tse also?
Yes.
Confucius?
Yes.
Okay, all the famous people। Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine। And upstairs we can go? I can go? ओके ओके फाइन। एक बार ऊपर भी चलते हैं, देखते हैं। नीचे इनसे बात हो रही थी मोहतरमा से। इन्होंने बताया कि ये काओदाइस्ट टेम्पल है एंड काओदाइज्म एक अलग तरीके का रिलीजन है। और इसके बारे में मैंने इनसे ढेर सारी बातें की, ढेर सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन ली। तो हम लोगों ने हिंदू धर्म के बारे में सुना, मुस्लिम धर्म के बारे में हम लोग जानते हैं, सिख, ईसाई, बौद्ध धर्म, जोरोस्ट्रियन, लेकिन ये जो काओदाइज्म है इसके बारे में मैंने पहली बार सुना। अगर आप लोग इसके बारे में जानते हैं तो बताइएगा। एंड दे वर्शिप द लेफ्ट आई। काओदाइज्म ऑलमोस्ट सारे बड़े धर्मों का अमलगमेशन है या मिक्सचर है आप कह लें। एंड काओदाइज्म एक समन्वयवादी धर्म है और ढेर सारे जो है कि धर्मों के बिलीफ्स को ये अपने अंदर संजोए हुए है। ये वियतनाम का जो लोक धर्म है पूर्वजों की पूजा, ये पूर्वजों की पूजा को अपने अंदर संजोए हुए है। पूर्वजों की पूजा के अलावा चाइना के दो महान दार्शनिक थे, लाओ त्से एंड कन्फ्यूशियस। उन दोनों के बिलीफ्स एंड जीवन जीने की कला को ये अपने अंदर संजोए हुए है। उसके साथ साथ ये धर्म अपने अंदर बौद्ध धर्म के पुनर्जन्म के सिद्धांत एंड कर्मों के फल को अपने अंदर संजोए हुए है। एंड सबसे खास बात कि ये कैथोलिज्म यानी कैथोलिक धर्म के कुछ बिलीव्स को भी अपने अंदर संजोए हुए है। तो वी कैन से कि ऑलमोस्ट जो है कि मेजर जो बिलीफ सिस्टम्स हैं, ये धर्म उन सारे बिलीफ सिस्टम्स को अपने अंदर संजोए हुए है। वियतनाम से शुरू करें, वियतनाम, चाइना, बौद्ध धर्म एंड कैथोलिज्म। तो एक बड़े ही नए किस्म का एक बड़ा ही नया धर्म है। एंड 1920 में इस धर्म की स्थापना हुई है। आई थिंक कि अपनी दुनिया का यानी कि पूरे विश्व में इस प्लेनेट की बात करें तो सबसे नया धर्म यही होगा। एंड अगर आप लोग जानते हैं इससे भी नया धर्म तो कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए। इस धर्म को द ग्रेट फेथ फॉर द थर्ड यूनिवर्सल रिडेम्पशन भी कहा जाता है। ईश्वर से मिलना, ईश्वर की पूजा करना, इस संसार के चक्रों से मुक्ति पाना और अहिंसा को फॉलो करना एंड सदैव शाकाहारी रहना इस धर्म की कुछ नैतिक शिक्षाओं में से एक है। एक और ख़ास बात कि इस धर्म के लगभग 6 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स हैं। एंड सिर्फ वियतनाम में ही नहीं, इवन यूएसए में भी एक काओदाइज टेम्पल है। यहाँ पर नाम लिख रखा है इस टेम्पल का, ताओ तान तेनिन। ओके, अभी चलते हैं यहाँ से बाहर, होयान एंशिएंट सिटी। एक बार फिर से हम लोग आ चुके हैं होयान द एंशिएंट सिटी के ठीक बीचों बीच। एंड यहाँ से हम लोग चलते हैं और कुछ लोकेशन है आउट ऑफ 25 फेमस वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज लोकेशंस, उनमें से 4 लोकेशंस अभी कवर करनी बाकी हैं। कल हम लोग गए थे कैंफो कम्युनल हाउस में, एक बड़ा ही ट्रेडिशनल हाउस होता है। एंड टुडे वी विल गो टू अदर लोकेशंस। जगह जगह पर ऐसे टिकट काउंटर इन लोगों ने बना रखे हैं। एंड वेयर कैन आई गेट सम टूरिस्ट गाइड?
Tourist guide?
यस।
You don't have a guide?
नो, आई डोंट हैव।
You can buy a ticket. And
या
we-
आई हैव bought tickets.
You have a
Yes,
ticket?
I have tickets.
Can I say? When?
Yesterday I bought.
Today.
Yes.
You have one person?
Yes, yes.
Only you?
Yes, only me.
So you need two guys?
Yeah, I
Can you
am.
see your ticket?
Yes, sure.
You need English speaking guy?
Yes, English speaking guide.
You pay each 125.
125
Thousand.
thousand.
Yeah.
Okay. For
1 hour?
for 1 hour.
Yeah.
And in 1 hour we can cover all these places.
Yeah.
Only 1 hour.
Yeah.
Okay. It is too costly. I thought it is for whole day.
Whole day? Oh no, you see. How much? It's up to you.
Okay.
So you pay
Yes,
little.
a little.
little
And
money. Right, you see.
how much?
You book, at booking of it maybe $30.
$30
You need the tour guide for whole day.
for whole day.
Yeah. But
Okay.
we charge you only 125.
125. How much time it will take for guide?
It's me. You will go with me. Right
Okay,
now.
okay.
Available
You.
right now, yeah.
Okay.
You can pay $30 to $35 US dollar for the whole day.
Okay,
tour.
for whole day.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. No discount
No discount. It's fixed price. We work
Fixed.
for the government, you know.
from the government. 100,000. वियतनामीज डोंग पे करके आप यहाँ से 1 आवर के लिए टूरिस्ट गाइड हायर कर सकते हैं। और मेरे हिसाब से ये काफ़ी जो है ज़रूरी है, अगर आप इस शहर को जानना चाहते हैं तो एक टूरिस्ट गाइड का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, अदरवाइज इट विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम। यहाँ जितने भी काउंटर हैं, इन काउंटर्स पर आप बात करके और गाइड ले सकते हैं। एंड इनका कहना है कि हम लोग आपको रिसिप्ट भी देंगे, ये गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से फिक्स किया हुआ रेट है। ओके, नाउ यू कैन प्रोसीड।
Your name?
माय नेम इज यज्ञा।
Yagia.
यस यस यस
Yeah.
यस
Three
यू
syllable. Easy to pronounce to call Vietnamese name.
Yeah.
But,
या
we have monolingual language.
यू योर नेम इज यू, वेरी वेरी इजी।
Family name is Lê and Thị, the middle
Okay,
name
Lê
for
Thị.
woman, for girl. You
Okay.
go through this alley.
Okay. What you have studied?
Me?
Yeah, yes, yes. Your education?
I'm tour guide.
Yes, you are
When
too good.
I was a student, more than 25 years ago, I'm a student of English department
English
in
department.
Da Nang University.
Da Nang University.
Right. So I was born in Hoi An.
Okay.
When graduated from university, I come back to my hometown. I work here as my office.
Okay.
This year, 24 years.
24.
I'm a tour guide for 24 years.
And what's your age?
Yeah.
What's your age?
I sorry.
Your age?
Age?
Yeah. Yeah. When you born?
I was born in Hoi An.
Born in which year?
I was born in 77.
Oh my God.
After COVID-19 pandemic,
Yes, yes.
many tourists come back to Vietnam,
Vietnam.
to Hoi An, especially from Asia.
Yes.
And I see a lot of tourists from your country.
India also.
India.
Okay, okay.
Right.
Fine.
We have less European tourists, but
Okay.
we still have a great number of Asian tourists.
Okay.
The top come from Chinese people.
Okay.
We still have a big a number from Thailand, from
Okay, okay.
Japan,
Japan.
Malaysia,
Okay.
Singapore.
This one.
This is one of the two private houses among 27 national historical monuments
Okay.
recognized by Ministry of History and Culture of Vietnam,
Vietnam.
in 1985.
Okay.
This house built more than 240 years ago.
240 years old
Has been
house.
the home for a generation of the same family, Vietnamese family.
Okay.
They built the house for living and for trading.
Okay.
That means there were agreement between the government and the local people to open the door as visiting place for tourists.
Okay.
The local people would like to show their hospitality for tourists.
Okay.
So
एक
you must
बहुत ही
show your
पुराना।
entrance ticket here.
Okay, fine.
Sell up the ticket be left here so that the owner will know exactly how many Vietnamese or foreign tourists come to visit the house a day, a week, a month, a year. You pay money for government, the government pay back for the family.
Okay, okay. Fine.
And coming here you may
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. This is
Lovely ladies, my friend.
Okay.
Listen, shows she got more specific information of this house. She
Okay.
will inform you. Stop
Oh,
here
sure.
for a few minutes, and later you may follow her move upstairs.
okay, okay, fine.
I keep your ticket.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you.
Welcome to our house.
Thank you very much. Xin chào. Come on.
This is the Vietnamese ancient house.
Okay.
Private house.
Okay.
This was built 1780,
1780.
about 244 years ago.
Okay,
And
240
has
years.
been built on 9 generations of
9
our
generations.
family.
Okay.
In 1985, it was recognized as historical monument by the government.
Okay.
And this house come by three styles: Vietnamese, Chinese, and Japanese.
Okay.
Mixed together.
Mixture of Vietnamese, Japanese, and Chinese.
Yes.
Okay.
You can see the balcony around.
Okay, balcony. Yes.
Chinese style.
Chinese style.
The big door.
Okay.
4 sides.
For
1,
sun.
2, 3, 4 sides.
Yes, for
Japanese
sunrise.
style.
Japanese style.
And the rack of the house, Vietnamese style.
Vietnamese style.
3 sections, Vietnamese.
Okay, 3 section. The
Yeah.
first one, the second where we are standing,
Yeah.
and the third section. Okay. Fine, fine.
And there are 80 columns in this house.
80 columns in this house.
Yes.
Okay.
It's the iron wood, strong wood.
Strong wood.
Which were made on the marble basin in order to avoid humidity and
Okay,
no
okay.
eruption.
Oh, okay. In order to avoid humidity,
Yeah.
the base is cemented.
Marble.
Okay, mapo. Okay, fine.
Because this are there near the river, so flood happen every year.
Flood happen every year.
Normally the water come up half meter.
Okay.
In 1964, we flood 2.5 meter.
2.5 meter. Oh, oh.
Stay here about 3 days. Move
Okay.
everything upstairs.
Upstairs. Okay.
Continue.
Okay, fine.
And this is a traditional job in my family.
Okay.
Hand embroidered. My family made.
Okay, your family made.
Yeah. My uncle the road design. My sister made here.
Okay.
Tablecloth, the napkin, or the
Tablecloth,
picture.
napkin and picture. Okay, fine.
Richard material, silk, cotton,
Cotton.
silk.
Okay. Okay.
Present your family. I have a different size and different design.
Different design.
Yeah. Trapdoor.
Trap door.
Yeah.
For what purpose trap door?
The trapdoor.
Yes,
It
why?
can open, pull up the wood when the flood happen.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Our center.
Altar? Altar? Okay. And you worship whom?
No, just looking here. No open.
No prayer.
Yeah. And did the shipping did the right for worshiping, for protecting God.
Protecting. Which God?
5 elements.
5 elements.
Wood, water, mental, earth.
Okay, 5 elements.
3 elements. Long life, prosperity, happiness.
Okay. Long life, prosperity and happiness.
Now you can look around. Just to finish the house.
Okay, fine. ये बालकनी है इस घर की एंड कुछ यहाँ से ऐसा नज़र आता है और इस घर में घुसने के बाद आपको लगेगा कि वाकई में आप जो है कि कई सदी पीछे जा चुके हैं। काफ़ी ट्रेडिशनल घर है एंड बड़ी मजबूत लकड़ियाँ हैं इस घर की। 244 सालों से ये घर खड़ा है इन पिलर्स पर एंड बड़ी प्यारी प्यारी सी मूर्तियाँ हैं यहाँ पर। हैंडमेड आइटम्स यहाँ पर सोल्ड किए जा रहे हैं एंड काफ़ी खूबसूरत पेंटिंग्स इन्होंने घर में लगा रखी हैं। यहाँ से खड़े होकर के और जो लोग आते होंगे मीटिंग के लिए उन्हें ऊपर से देख सकते हो। दिस इज ऑल्सो योर ओह वेरी गुड यू लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल वेलकम।
Bye bye.
बाय बाय।
This cover bridge is a must visit for every tourist to Hoi An.
यस यस
This is the oldest construction. But actually, it's a two-in-one building. That's in Vietnamese we call chùa cầu. That's combine chùa and cầu. The brick by the pagoda.
Okay, okay.
Pagoda by the brick. So
Bridge and pagoda.
yes.
Where is the pagoda?
The construction inside.
Okay, the construction inside. This one?
Right. But inside the pagoda, we worship Chinese Taoist and contemporary. We move the statue up the god upstairs.
Okay, God is
This
upstairs.
kind of-
Okay, we can have a
Right.
look.
Because you know, 400 years ago, Hội An were the international trading port. And
Yeah.
to the south, the town is the lower facing of Thu Bon River. It's further to the sea, 5 kilometers from here to the east. So
Okay.
you know where the trading ports, the
Trading
merchant
port.
port,
Yes, merchant
where the ship stop.
Yeah.
And at that time, only Japanese and Chinese were allowed to set up their quarter for habitation here.
Okay.
So the Japanese built the brick and Chinese built the temple. The brick
Bridge?
and Chinese built the temple.
Temple.
Right.
Okay.
Inside the brick, you see statue up to holy dog and 2 holy monkey. 2 holy monkey to the west end and 2 holy dog to the east end.
Okay,
It is Chinese Taoist.
Chinese Taoist
In Hanoi,
in
in
Hanoi.
our capital city,
Yes.
there are construction called Quang Thanh Pagoda, where the people in Hanoi also worship the same God.
Same God. 110
Yeah.
pagoda.
Yeah.
Okay.
We call him the Northern God, or the God of the North. He's the
God of the
protector of local people. He helped local people avoid natural disaster.
Okay.
And you know
to-
there are legend relating to the building of this cover brick.
Yes.
It is said that it appear a monster look like a snake, with
Snake.
the head in India,
Oh.
the tails in Japan,
Oh.
with the body in Vietnam.
body in
But
Vietnam.
every time this monster make movement, it's called disaster in the three countries. Drought in India,
Trao.
flood in Hoi An, tsunami in Japan.
Okay.
Because the people believe that the back or the heart of the monster were in Hoi An town,
Okay.
right at this current. So that's why when living here, the Japanese build the brick. That's from outside. You can imagine the brick look like a saw.
Okay.
A saw
Okay.
pointing to the heart of the
Heart.
monster to stop
Oh.
its strength, so that it could not cause tsunami in Japan as well as flood in Hoi An.
Okay.
That's the legend told by the local people over generation in Hoi An. Right.
म्यूजियम है यहाँ पर अभी हम लोग आ चुके हैं म्यूजियम ऑफ शाहुन कल्चर इन हुयॉन ओके
The inside a house built 100 years ago, more than 100 years ago in French colonial architecture.
फ्रेंच कॉलोनियल आर्किटेक्चर
Vietnam were under the domination of the French nearly 100 years, from
100 years.
1858 until 1954.
इन फ्रेंच कॉलोनियल
Yeah.
ओके
At that time, Hoi An were the political center
Political
of
center
Quảng
of-
Nam province. That's why when the French came here,
Yes.
they built many offices, many,
Many
buildings,
offices, many
and
buildings.
the local people, the rich family, they imitate the structure from France.
Okay.
That's why they built many yellow
Houses.
two-story
Two-storied
houses,
building, yes.
locating along Nguyễn Thái Học or Phan Bội Châu Street. That's
Yes.
nowadays when tourists coming to Hoi An,
Yes.
they stay beside Chinatown. They indicate that the street that has many worshipping place, many assembly hall of Chinese people. So they say beside Chinatown in Hoi An, we have Friend Town as well.
ओके ओके
The streets by the river,
Right.
Nguyễn Thập and Phan Bội Châu, you may see many yellow building like this one.
Okay.
And this house owned by the government.
Owned by the
government opened it as Museum of Sahun Culture.
शाहुन कल्चर
Sahun is the name of a district in Quảng Ngãi province, about 100 kilometers south of Hoi An today.
Okay.
That's in the year 1909, with the first excavation works of French archaeologists. They found the active past relating to the line of the first resident or the first inhabitant live in central Vietnam or in Hoi An town particularly.
Assembly Hall of the Cantonese Chinese Congregation
That means Chinese people from Cantong province,
Cantong province
a province in southeast of China.
ओके
In the past, you know, most of Chinese people came from two provinces,
टू provinces
Cantong and Fujian in southeast of China.
yes Fujian
They-
and Canton
and Cantong,
Yes.
Fujian and Cantong.
Fujian
They came here around the middle of the 17th century.
17th
Yeah.
century
Majority of them came here after the year 1644 when Qing dynasty toppled Ming dynasty.
Okay.
So they came here as political refugees.
Okay.
They left Great China to avoid the chain of Qing dynasty. They migrated to many nations in Southeast Asia as
Okay.
well as to Vietnam. So when coming here, they were allowed to set up their quarter for permanent habitation. They could get married to local Vietnamese.
Okay.
So over many generations now we call them Chinese Vietnamese.
Chinese
Now they
Vietnamese
use Vietnamese as mother tongue.
Vietnamese as mother tongue okay
But they can speak Mandarin. They can speak Chinese language. So three kingdoms.
Three kingdoms.
And this man, he was a Mandarin of Han dynasty.
Mandarin.
He wanted to unify three nations into one.
the
He-
rightmost person
Yeah.
and name
Wan U Wang Kong.
Wanu Wong Kong
Wang Kong. Quancong.
C-O-N.
In Vietnamese. Right. When he died, Chinese people regard him as a god. He has become the symbol of loyalty, sincerity, integrity, and justice.
okay
Yeah.
that's it.
So they built the temple to worship this man.
okay this man
Yeah.
This-
Yeah. In the middle. Right. Like For local visitor, both Vietnamese or even foreigner, when they come here, they may want to pray for something.
Pray for
good
something.
luck, good health, happiness,
Yes, yes.
a long life. So they
In Ho Chi Minh
may-
City, I went to a temple and I burned this.
That's
we
why,
had to-
right. Tourists may want to burn the incense. It's
Yes,
really
incense.
incense that it takes 2 weeks to burn one.
2 weeks to
You
burn
have
one.
to donate $300,000
For
for
one.
one incense.
Oh my
like
God.
this.
Very
Right.
costly.
It's just they are the member of the managing board and the member of Cantonese community.
Okay.
They together here every day. God of prosperity,
God of prosperity,
God of longevity.
God of longevity.
And you see, it's popular when they decorate 4 sacred animals inside the building.
Sacred animal. inside
Right.
the building.
But you see, phoenix.
Phoenix.
It looks like a crane. It has long neck, long wing, long tail, long legs. It can dance beautifully. So, phoenix is the symbol of flexibility,
Flexibility.
eternal beauty of woman.
Beauty of
Yeah.
Okay.
And here's dragon. This is dragon.
Yeah.
It has the body of a snake.
Body of
It can fly in the sky. And you know, actually, no one sees dragon.
Yes.
So it's just the animal in imagination.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Imagination.
It's the symbol of success, symbol of power. But the
Okay.
power of upper class, the power of the king, of
Oh.
the emperor, of the royal.
Okay.
And the third animal that you see, turtle.
Turtle.
It can live 400 years. So it's a symbol of longevity. And you see unicorn in the front yard.
Unicorn?
Unicorn in the front yard. When we move back there, unicorn look like a lion.
Lion.
Unicorn is the symbol of wisdom or intelligence.
Symbol of wisdom and intelligence.
Wisdom, intelligence.
Okay, unicorn.
Unicorn. It may have a horn in the forehead. The place Chinese people also worship their forefather, the
Forefather.
ancestor.
Okay.
Yeah, member of the community to show the merit, they appreciate what their forefather had done for the community in the past. Right. On the wall, you may see a version of the painting of 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. So the people say the samsara, a circle of life of a human being,
Circle of
like 4 seasons in the year. That means birth, aging, illness, and death. Someone were born. When you grow up, that means you get older and you get ill, to be sick, and everyone must die someday.
Yes.
That's death. Yeah,
And
circle of
I
life.
have seen in most of this temple, this structure, this structure, this, I have seen in most of the temples they built. Is it very special?
No, not special as all. Just to make any style, to make the building look beautiful. Look nice, right. And I just told you that in the middle, they worship a human god of Chinese people, Wong Kong.
Okay, we can
And
go.
here, Holy Mother,
Here, Holy Mother.
Holy Mother, the incarnation of One In, Goddess of Mercy.
She is goddess of mercy.
Goddess of Mercy. She's
Avalokiteshwar Bodhisattva. Goddess of mercy.
yeah,
Lady Buddha.
Right, Lady Buddha. She just the incarnation.
Incarnation.
The incarnation of One In. Of One In. You see statue of One In there. Yeah. You see. First the old day, the Chinese came here on the trunk on the boat. They had to travel for a long way on the sea, and they face danger on the sea like storm or typhoon.
Okay,
So
okay.
they asked for protection of Holy Mother.
Holy Mother.
Yeah, Holy Mother.
Goddess of sea.
Yeah.
Mazu.
Machu. Right. In Ho Chi Minh City, we have more than 1 million Chinese living there,
Okay.
especially in District 5.
District
Yeah.
5.
Chinese
I-
people build construction called
Yes,
Lady Pagoda. They worship Machu.
I went to a temple in Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yes, Batian, Tian Hao Temple.
Thiên Hậu Temple.
Yes,
Thiên Hậu.
it is for
Right,
and
so-
even in Ho Chi Minh City, I went to Batian Hao Temple. It is also for
Temple.
Goddess of Sea.
Goddess of the sea. Right. And we see a replica of trading boat that Chinese people came to Hoi An in the old day. Depends on monsoon wind. The Chinese came here, so you see on the trunk on the boat there, the altar, they say Thiên Hậu Cung, Thiên Hậu Palace, Holy Mother
Oh, okay,
Palace,
Thiên
where they
Hậu
worship.
Palace.
Yeah, they worship. In the past, when coming here, Chinese brought seal, ceramic, paper, herbal medicine to Hoi An.
Okay.
From Hoi An, they bought local products like sandalwood, raw seal, swallow nest, many kind of marine products. You see a piece of sandalwood here. Yeah. This form the resin inside. This wood can absorb the toxin in the air, so it's made the air around fresh or clean.
Okay.
We can extract the resin to make perfume, and we use the wood to make incense. In Hoi An, we use cinnamon or sandalwood to make incense.
To make
Yeah.
incense.
When the resin is burned, you can smell very nice.
Yeah, lot of prosperity.
Yeah. Chinese people are traders, are merchants. They wish to do good business. They wish to earn a lot of money, get high profit from trading.
Okay.
They worship the god of prosperity. And just the list of donator of visitor.
Yeah.
They donated some of money for the community. Let's see.
About this.
Yeah. Wang Kong,
Yeah.
the Mandarin
Why
of
the
Dynasty.
horses are
Because he was a general, we
General.
were a warrior.
General.
He owns many horses, but he has the two best horses, one in white and one in red.
Okay.
Whenever, especially Vietnamese tourists come here, they come closer to these two horses. They touch on the back of the two horses and they wish to have good health.
Good health.
Good health like these two horses.
Okay, like to.
In the novel, when the general died, so the red horse missed him a lot. It denied eating. It didn't want to eat anymore, and it died a few days after that.
Oh.
It showed the loyalty to the owner.
दोपहर के 3 बज रहे हैं। यहाँ टिकट काउंटर पर मैंने टिकट दिखाया। उन्होंने कहा आप सीढ़ियों से ऊपर चले जाइए, परफॉर्मेंस स्टार्ट होने वाला है। यहाँ पर फर्स्ट फ्लोर पर ढेर सारे मुखौटे टंगे हुए हैं एंड इसके ठीक बगल में है ये परफॉर्मेंस रूम। एक बहुत ही छोटा सा ऑडिटोरियम है एंड पर्दा भी गिरा हुआ है। प्रोग्राम फंक्शन स्टार्ट होना बाकी है। सीट्स ऑलमोस्ट फुल हैं, काफ़ी लोग बैठे हुए हैं एंड ये सेंट्रलाइज्ड एसीज लगे हुए हैं, इस वजह से थोड़ी सी ठंडक है यहाँ पर। 3:15 बजे से शो स्टार्ट होना है, हम लोग इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं। इस परफॉर्मेंस के बाद यहाँ पर एक गेम भी ये लोग खिलाएंगे एंड ये पटरा दिया है, इस पर कुछ लिखा हुआ है होई आन बिंगो गेम। देखते हैं कैसा गेम है ये।
Welcome to the Traditional Arts Performance House where I am today. Ladies and gentlemen,
on behalf of the artists, I'd like to send you all best wishes with you and your families.
the art of the show would like to begin, but now, please enjoy. Thank you. Named by Troy. It is known as bingo game. You know bingo game?
Yeah.
That's good. I will show you how to play the game. Each will be given a card. The singer will take the stage which consists of the name of the card from the bamboo box. And then they will sing the Vietnamese folk song related to the word you have. For example, the word good, G-U-O-N-G. If you hold the same card to be turned out, please raise your hand. You will be the lucky guest today and receive the present. Now have a big hand to welcome our singers, Miss Tu Sang and Miss Tu Hương, who will lead the game for us.
Trống kia đã đổ, cơ đỏ đã phát sao, để giữa vai đây đó nghe. Một bát lắng để bài tròi, bài tròi vừa lắng vừa bài. Và con cô bác lắng lặng mà nghe, lắng lặng mà nghe là cứ hối con lại. Nó ra đây bắt tay kim bồng đi ngang chiếu bông, gặp lên cánh đỏ bên sông. Bạn mình ơi, bạn mình ơi là cái con đi, bạn mình ơi là cái con.
the same card, please raise your hand. Congratulations, please come and introduce the present.